Looking to protect your car audio system without breaking the bank? The TARAMPS M1 LED Monitor offers a simple yet effective solution. This compact device keeps you informed about your amplifier's status with clear LED indicators for power, clipping, and protection modes. It's a small addition that can save you from costly repairs down the road. I've seen firsthand how this little monitor changes the game. It's not just a flashy accessory, it's a practical tool that keeps your gear safe. One user shared how this $30 investment prevented expensive damage, emphasizing that it's worth every penny. The M1's LED lights provide real-time feedback, so you know exactly when your amplifier is under stress or operating normally. That kind of insight is invaluable, especially if you're pushing your system hard or just want peace of mind. Installation is straightforward, and the 15-foot cord means you can place your amp wherever it fits best in your vehicle. While some mention that the wire connectors could be sturdier, the overall build holds up well under normal use. The M1 isn't just about protection, it's about giving you control and confidence in your setup. If you're serious about your car audio, this monitor is worth a look. It's a practical, reliable way to keep tabs on your amplifier's health and avoid unexpected failures. Try the TARAMPS M1 LED monitor when you're ready to add that extra layer of security to your sound system.